All right. Then you move from creating the Bizmall, which is okay. We will one day we'll have to talk about a lot of things that that goes into Bizmall. Now you have created your AI app.
Yeah.
How does it work? In fact, wait. What informs you or your decision to create the AI app?
Remember, right now AI it's booming, it's growing. You understand? Right now, you have AI employees, you have AI everything. So when I use a lot of AI, I don't know, like I use a lot of AI. I don't even like that one. I won't flinch by saying it. I use a lot of AI. That's what is assisting me to get where I am now. You understand? That's what assisted me to build Bizmall. You understand? So me using AI, I came into something that I noticed that ChatGPT, the famous AI, is good with something, and Gemini is also good with something. Then I said, well, how about I fuse these things together and create my own AI? So that's how everything came into play. To say, I want to create my own AI that will generate ChatGPT quality images, but generate a detailed image like Gemini. Understand? So a Gemini is good by generating, like if you go there and give it a small prompt and say, I want to create an image for a banana image. It will give you that exact banana image. If you go to ChatGPT and say, I want to create a banana image, it will ask you a series of questions to say what that banana should be. So I just said, I don't want to ask people questions because people get bored easily. But at the same time, I don't want people to get poor results.
Okay.
So that's how it came about. I said, you know what? I want to fuse this thing in and become a one thing. So when you go to DigitalNext AI, which was launched on, I would say, yesterday in the shooting of this podcast, but I don't know when this podcast will be reviewed. But when you go there, you'll see that I have many features. You can have your image enhancer, where if you can upload a blurry image and give you a quality image. Have an image generator, we just give it a prompt to say, I want to create an image of so and so and so. Then it will give you that image of that person. Or yesterday, I just played with the prompt and say, I want to create an image of Ronaldo in the Barcelona stadium.
Oh, I saw that post. I saw that post. That was your app.
That was my app.
That thing was accurate.
Yeah.
That thing was accurate. I saw that thing on your status.
Yeah.
That was your app.
That was my app. So I just gave it a prompt to say, develop me this kind of a thing. You know, and it's not only
Wait. Do you have that picture?
I don't have it now, but I can send it to you.
Yes. I'm saying, I want to show them.
Yeah,
I want to look, as we speak, it will appear on the screen.
Yeah.
Continue.
Yeah, so what I did is I put a series of things, maybe image generator, image enhancer, logo creator, but logo creator is not perfect. I don't want to lie with you. Logo creator is not perfect. I still want to refine it there and there. Then there's also the bigger feature here is the live, not live transcribe, but live that you can talk to the AI. So you can talk to that AI anything by just, you see how we are recording a podcast now?
Yes.
Yeah, like that. You understand? And you can share your screen, your phone screen to say, okay, I'm experiencing this problem on my screen. And how do I fix this problem? So it will go to your screen and see what you are seeing on the screen and tell you, I know this thing. So you can also use it for assisting your kids with homeworks. You understand? You can upload a picture of the problem, then it will solve that problem, but it don't give you the answer. It will assist you. It will be like a teacher, like a math teacher. If it's a math problem, it will be like a math teacher to say, okay, how you approach this? You go step by step by doing this and this and this and this. How do you, maybe you want to, I don't know, you want to do anything, you want to bake. You can share, you can take a video, that screen share, and say, okay, this is what I'm seeing, and take a video. It will see your screen and see your video, what you're seeing on the screen. And it will say, okay, here are my ingredients, and. So it will assist you to say, okay, pour this, do this, do this. So that's the AI for you. That's
you. The bottom line is that you created that thing. That's what we want to know. That's what we have to land in. You created that app. As we speak, the app is up.
Yeah, it's up, but it's in beta version. It's in testing version. So, like I said, not all features are perfect, but that feature is perfect. The one that I just the live feature it's perfect. Then I wanted to create a live transcribe feature where because I was doing a lot of interviews, sometimes they ask me questions because remember I didn't go to school, so I don't know some terminologies.
Okay,
you understand? So this live transcribe will transcribe the meeting interview. Then what it will do is it will give you answers, but without it saying the answers aloud. So you will just read the answers and maybe cheat on an interview. You understand? So
meaning you can sit in an interview with your whatever thing that is there.
Yeah.
Whilst they are talking, this thing is actually giving you the answer.
Yeah.
And then you answer me.
I answer you like I'm a software developer who has 6 years of experience like me. That's not only it. Like I have this other software. I think you also viewed my status.
Wait, let's stick to this one. We'll come to this. We'll go to this one.
They're related.
No. One thing at a time.
Okay.
I don't want the people to get loose. So then, when you say it's on beta version, what is beta version? Please explain that.
Beta version is a test version to say not all features will work perfectly as you expect. We are still running a trial and error. We're in a trial and error period. So if you have suggestions, you can chip in the suggestions. If you have, maybe if you received an error, then it consumed your credits, you can say, no, I got this error, but it ate my credits. You understand? Or if you maybe want to subscribe to the app, but it can't subscribe, it says it's subscribed, but you didn't receive the bank notification and stuff. That's why I say it's in beta version. Not everything is perfect.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
So, what do I need to have the app? Do I pay anything? Yeah, let's start there. Do I pay anything for me to have the app?
No. Basically, it's not an app currently. Okay. It's a website.
Yes.
So it's a Digital Next AI. So what you need is for you to go inside. You get free 90 credits for you to explore the app. So why I did 90 credits because I understand that you'll find out that it didn't give you the results that you want, but it took you credits. You understand? So that I was generous to say, no, in this beta version, I'll just give 90 credits for people to explore it, try to develop what they want, come with suggestions. And I told people to say, be as honest as you can. If you think it's trash, there's a feature that is trash there. Just tell me this feature is trash. You understand? Okay. Maybe you can improve it by doing this and this. Because one thing I noticed is many businesses, they're looking for positive reviews. And I look for negative reviews. That's one thing I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
Because that's how I grow. I grow by negative reviews. If you give me positive reviews, how will I grow?
Okay, wait. So then, this is not an app, it's a website.
Yeah.
So once it becomes a website, once you are happy with this thing, are you going to turn it into an app?
Yeah, once I have proper funding for it, because developing an app, I don't want to lie, it needs resources.
Okay.
Understand? As some people will say, it's easy to develop an app now, but now I don't want to develop it that way. I want it, when I create an app, I create something that is ready for the market. I don't want to create something that will, when it gets maybe 1 million users, then it crashes to more. You understand? I want something that when it gets 1 million users, it becomes even more fast.
Okay, so people can access that. How do people access that?
They just go to Google and just say digitalnextai.co.za because I didn't include SEO for it because it's, like I said, it's in beta version. So if I include SEO for it, it will rank high. Then you find out that many people from outside the country are exploring it and stuff like that. You understand? Then they found the loopholes on how to hack it and stuff. Like I said, it's in beta version, but don't test. Don't test me, please. Don't test me.
I hear what you're saying. Okay, now we're done with that.
Yeah.
People can access that.
Yeah.
You'll also send me this thing so I can put it on the screen.
Yeah.